everyone. So here's a video instruction on how to enter the giveaway for the Explorer 3. So when you go into the design space, this project or well, this giveaway requires you to use some holiday and Christmas themes through the Cricut Design Space page. So you hit Discover and you go to the left and hit Christmas and Holiday banner. You'll see all these amazing projects, even winter fonts for you to utilize for the giveaway. So here, go ahead and explore some of the projects that are under each subcategory. You could use to create the exact project and post in the group for the entry, or you can use any part of the project and create the project, post a new post in the group, and use that as an entry. So let's say if you wanted to make a Christmas tag like this one, you'll click this, you'll hit edit a copy, you create your project, and then hit save. Once you save this to wherever you want to save it to, you complete it. You can upload a picture, and then there is a way, if you go into My Projects, um, there is a way for you to share, which is this share button. Once you hit the share button, you'll have to make the link public so I can see it. But it says to share your project publicly, you have to at least upload one photo. So I don't have a photo uploaded yet, but that's how you'll copy the link once you upload the photo. You'll go back into Facebook, and these are the holiday themes here, so you'll find that on that page. But on my post itself, under the Explore 3 form, you'll click this form, and then you will put in your email address, your Facebook name, and then you'll copy and paste the Facebook link of the post that you just created, which I'll give an example. I'll take one of the ones that another member created. So like Angie here, she did the party theme one and she used a winter font. So uh, there is a copy button here. You could copy this and then, I mean, not hers, but your own. And then you'll go into the form, you'll hit paste, and that would be the list. So here I asked if you're from Quebec because Quebec is excluded from the Explore 3 giveaway. But then if you say yes, I'll just take your name and I'll put it as an entry towards the $300 giveaway we have. And then when you fill out the block number, so that one was winter font. Let me go back and see what the, oops, wrong one. Let me go back and see what was the winter font one. So sorry. I should have added it up. So the winter font, yeah, right here, number 3. So, oops, there goes my alarm. Well, I lost my phone, but um, you'll put number 3 in here, and then you hit enter.